Hello, I'm Bobby Ramirez, and this is Play Along with Me, jazz improvisation training video for beginners. Welcome. Hello, glad to see you're back. Great weekend. Just finished playing the Super Bowl. Check it out. Wow. Yeah, man. Where's that at? Game day. Yeah. Ooh, we're playing out there with the band. Ritmo Palusa. Anyway, glad to see you're back, and we are here to help you internalize jazz through transcribing, okay, through oral tradition of jazz. Jazz is an oral tradition. So what we're going to do is you're going to basically play along with me without music. Just close your eyes and listen to the music. Now, the cool thing about this riff is we're only going to use 3 notes, okay? Just 3 notes. So that's concert C, D, and E flat for this tune, okay? Which is the chord changes basically for blue bossa, okay? So what you're going to do is basically, as I play, you try to figure out the notes and play along with me, okay? So that's the way we internalize jazz, and by transcribing, okay, and listening, a very important skill in jazz, okay? Once again, if you like this video and it brings you value, please subscribe and hit the like button. Also share it with your friends. If you have students that are interested in playing jazz, definitely share it, okay? Thank you. All right, here we go. Play along with me. Very good. Woo! Yeah. Good. Good. Yeah. All right. I hope you did well there. Uh, Again, this is Play Along With Me, Jazz Improvisation training video for beginners. So, again, if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Share it with your friends. If you know of any students that could benefit from this information, please share it. Our goal is to help students that are interested in playing jazz, give them the tools and information so they could advance in the art form. Okay. Thank you again, and we'll see you soon.